Are we near of having flying cars in the next few decades? In 1934, humans has already been making the first step of flying cars. But still today, we do not see any cars flying above our houses. Is flying cars are the solution for traffic? Are flying cars safer? When we will see the first flying cars? Nowadays, Uber Air Taxi is pushing the limits of flying cars into reality. Of all the air taxi projects, Uber is the biggest so far. The company targets 2023 as the year its service will first become commercially available, but we could see the first Uber Air Taxi as soon as next year, but do not expect because schedules might change. Most companies like Aeromobiles, Tesla, Airbus, and Boeing. Experts say that flying cars are the solution for traffic. Greatest benefit of flying cars for most of us will be the ability to soar above the gridlock below and get where we want to go much faster. Will you prefer to get to work in an hour or in 15 minutes? It's an easy choice as more people buy cars for means of transportation. Roads will be more congested and traffic will be much worse, and a ton of barrels of oil is being wasted because of traffic jam. Every 9 million barrels of gasoline per day that are used, additional 14 million barrels of other oil used for transportation needs is a lot, and our resources are limited. Speaking of energy, vast majority of flying cars in development are designed to be electric, running off the latest battery technology like lithium-ion. This is not only the benefit of making them much quieter than the noisy helicopters, it also makes them much environmentally friendly. Well, it's true that cars now going electric as well. So far, the shift from gasoline to batteries has been slow. With flying cars, we have the opportunity to get it right the first time and build these vehicles in an eco-friendly way from day one. Faster, safer, and cleaner. It's truly a win-win-win, but for now, we just need to wait for 2023 or maybe next year. Flying cars increase safety. Everyone knows that roads are dangerous, which is exactly why car manufacturers and other tech companies make self-driving technology. Self-driving cars is the right direction. However, no matter how smart our car is, it is still dangerous. There is a lot of obstacles in the roads, and some countries do not even fully pave the roads. Up in the sky, you have 360 degrees visibility, and need only to worry about other aircraft and of course birds. Birds strike occasionally, but also the weather. If the weather is windy or rainy, flying cars might be dangerous to use. If the weather is severe, you cannot fly safely. Companies like Uber are currently tackling. Once that work out, there's no question that a trip taken in the air will be safer than the one taken on the ground. Are we near of having flying cars the next few decades? The answer is yes, if that flying car technology still continues at the same pace of Uber's schedule of the first launch of flying car in 2023. If you like this episode, consider subscribing as always. Stay focused.